Hi everyone and welcome to IOTV. That's Information Online Television, coming to you from the Hilton Hotel in Sydney. Now for this video I will be talking with Lynn Connaway. So Lynn is the Director of Library Trends and User Research at OCLC. So Lynn, thank you for your time. Your workshop today that I've really enjoyed so far has been a lot around ethnography, and so we really wanted to just ask you if you could give like a quick overview of what that might be and why it's important to the library industry as a whole, I guess.
Well, thank you, James, for attending this morning. And I think that the most important thing about ethnographic research is that we as librarians see differently, look at things with different eyes. So observe those who are using our programs, events, spaces, and look at them in a different light. Try to understand what they're doing. Talk to them, engage with them, that's another thing. So, and I think it's really important because we need to better understand how people are getting information, using information, engaging with technology, and using our spaces in order to provide for them what best works.
Yeah, that's fantastic, and I think there's a lot to think about and for me to digest from this workshop today, so thank you for that. But also, are there any resources, key resources or books that you could recommend that we could put in the description of this video that anyone from that's not attending this workshop could maybe find out a little bit more?
Of course, I'm going to mention the research methods book that I co-authored with Marie Radford, and that is Research Methods for Library and Information Science. There are also several other things out there. There was the ERIAL study that was done in the U.S., so you should look at that. There are a lot of ethnographic textbooks, ethnographic methods textbooks that I think are also interesting to look at. So I would do a search and get some of that information.
Okay, well I'll definitely make a list at below the video today. So thank you again, Lynn, for your time. I really appreciate it, and thanks everyone for tuning in. This is Information Online Television coming direct to you from the Hilton Hotel.